summarize the Module 1, di ba? Module 1, we talk about total quality management. Its definition, it is the achievement of 100% quality through total employee involvement and continuous process improvement. Okay. Now, Module 2, the concept of TQM. Ano yung ideas ng TQM? In total quality management, we're thinking of quality. Pag sinabing quality, quality per se, tapos. But in total quality management, this is the involvement of all systems, all functions, and all subsystems. Ano-ano yon? Pag quality ang pinag-uusapan, hindi ito nakaatang sa shoulder ng quality control department. Di ba mga kumpanya, they have the quality control department. Sa Japan, they don't have quality control department per se because everybody is a quality controller. All employees, all workers are quality controllers. You do it, you check it. The traditional practice is the quality is built at the end of the production line. And that is the final inspection. Ibig sabihin, sige, gawa lang kayo ng gawa, magawa kayo marami, okay lang. Pagdating sa quality control, kami naman ang mag-check. Papaano kung ang production output mo 1,000? At the end of the production line sa quality department, sa 1,000, let's say 30% ang defective. So 300% rework. Kung kotse yan, i-rework mo, there is the so-called labor cost. And there is a possibility of damage to the products. Okay? So, yun yung traditional. Ang traditional system, actually hanggang ngayon practice pa rin yan sa Pilipinas eh. 'Di ba? Sa third world countries, 'di ba? At every company, every production manufacturing company, they have the so-called quality control department being managed by an engineer who is the quality control manager. So at the end of the line, sila ang final inspection, final quality control. So sila ang mag-check kung ano yung mga damage, hihiwalay nila. So we can achieve na lahat ng i-deliver sa customer quality. But there is an added cost to the organization. Sa Japan, di ba, we're discussing, dalawa yung inalis nila. They do not like warehousing operations, no buffer stocks, no warehouse, no quality control department. Quality is built in. Quality is built in among employees. So, ibig sabihin, ang quality, responsibilidad lahat ng empleyado, wag nating iasa sa isang department. Okay. So, ano yung sinasabing concept? Ano ba ang ideas ng total quality management? The concept of total quality management is achieving quality 100%. It should be zero defect through total employee involvement. Yan yung sinasabi natin sa Kaizen-Tei. Continuous gradual improvement through total employee involvement. The second concept is teamwork among workers, teamwork among departments, teamwork among sections or subsystem. Teamwork and alignment with all systems and subsystem. Ang sinasabi natin, let's say, hindi ba diniscuss natin, bakit maraming rework, bakit maraming reject? Kasalanan niya ng production eh. Production, bakit maraming rework? Kasi yung pyesa defective. Bakit defective ang pyesa? Kasi yung pyesa na binibili natin, yung supplier, defective ang dinideliver. So kaninong trabaho yan? Trabaho yan ng purchasing. And purchasing belongs to supply chain management. Guys, can you see the slide? Nakikita yung slide?
Yes po.
Oo, sige. Kasi tinetesting ko kasi pag mahina signal, nawawala eh. Sige, hintayin lang natin pumasok yung iba. Sige, wag kayong mag-alala. Yung nag-umpisa tayo ng maaga, Okay, anyway, bibigay ko naman tong slide sa inyo, pinaliliwanag ko na lang. Okay, ang konsepto ng total quality management, iba. Traditionally, hanggang ngayon, almost all companies, they have quality control department. Diba? They have quality control department. And they shoulder the quality level or quality status of our products. Products or services. Okay. But in the concept of total quality management, di ba sinabi nga natin total, kabuuan, lahat involved sa quality. Pag mayroong defective, responsibilidad mo yan, hindi yan responsibilidad ng isang tao o isang department. Responsibilidad yan ng tayong lahat. Di ba sabi nga natin, you do it to check it. Pagka nakita mong may defect, huwag mo nang ituloy. So what they are doing, process 1. Pagdating sa akin, process 2. Pare, sandali, wait muna. Stop muna production. Yung 10 ginawa mo na puna ko may defect, aalamin nila ano yung root causes ng defect. Bakit may defect? Ano yung root cause? Kasi yung ginagamit mong tools mali. Kanya nagka-crack yung items kasi yung tools na ginagamit mo mali. So, stop. Palitan yung tools or mag-redesign or stop muna. Otherwise, kung hindi nasita ng process 2, yung defect, lahat ng production maghapon defective. Kanya nga mas effective, in-process inspection is the job of everyone in the production, including Bisor. Bisor, alam mo yan, namomonitor mo yan. Okay. What I am saying here is we are concerned with production, total employee involvement. Okay. Teamwork, pag may teamwork of all functions, ibig sabihin, teamwork ng production, teamwork ng sales, teamwork ng warehouse, logistics, teamwork ng supplier, external stakeholders, teamwork ng purchasing. Okay? So, lahat tayo responsibilidad. External stakeholder, supplier, kung pwede, zero defect at ang delivery dapat just in time. Zero defect and just in time. These are the two important factors in total quality management. Zero defect and just in time. What else? Improve productivity, improve quality, and reduce cost. These two objectives made the Japanese products to become competitive in the global market. Sabi nga natin, mataas ang quality, mababa ang presyo. Not like the other way around. Ang taas ng presyo, pero palpak ang quality. So, ang sinasabi natin, lahat tayo responsible dito sa quality. So, the total concept of total quality management, ano yung mga ideas ng total quality management? Iba ang total quality management sa quality control. Iba ang objective, iba ang concept ng quality control sa total quality management. Quality control is specifically focused on quality, while total quality management involves everyone from top to bottom. From the highest to the lowest, involved sila dyan. Okay? No one will be spared. Kanya, quality circle is also a part of total quality management. Ang sinasabi natin sa total quality circle, this is a circle or group of employees who are concerned with a specific job that cause rejection. Okay. So, total quality, the concept is based on thinking about quality in all functions and of an organization. This is an end-to-end process from top to lower function. Overall effectiveness of the system is higher than the sum of the individual output. Ibig sabihin,